starting at table 2. Got it? So when I say go and when we start the timer, you will be at table 2. Raise your hand if you are sitting where Cornelius is. Christian, Cornelius, Gisela, Victor, and Lionel. You guys will be at table 3. So Cornelius, you get to stay put. Raise your hand if you are sitting where Saul G is. So Tierra, Saul G, Omar, Irene, and Luis. You guys will be starting at table 4. And then raise your hand if you're sitting where Giselle is. So Luis, Giselle, Ahud, Zach, and Maria. You guys will be starting at table 5. So no one will be at table 6 to start. Does that make sense? And then we're going to rotate. So as that goes off, when your 3 minutes is up, you are going to move to the next table. So if you're starting at 1, you're going to go to 2. What if I'm starting at 5? I'm going to go to 6. So we're going to go in sequential order, meaning the number that comes next. Got it? All right, your questions will be on the card in front of you. So for instance, if I was starting at table 2, I have a card. My card says, how did Lois Lowry make us feel a part of the memory on the war field? What language did she use to pull the reader in? And it gives you a page number to turn to. Okay? So you're going to discuss it with your group, and you're going to write down notes in your box. Capiche? All right. So once that timer's up, then I'm going to rotate to table 3, and I'm going to read table 3's question. We're going to read it quickly. We're going to talk about it as our group, and then we're going to go to writing our notes. Do you have to write complete sentences in this?
Yeah.
No. It's your note-taking. So if you want to write down words that you feel are important, that you want to remember to tell your group later, you can. If you want to write down maybe a phrase, anything like that. A page number that helps you, that you can turn back in when you're going back to your group, that's good. You don't have to write complete sentences. This is just your note-taking skill. Got it? Yeah. So again, your box should look like this. You should have your name in one box, then a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, and then your last box is for questions. What do you think is going to go in that last box?
Questions.
Questions about what? Okay. Give me a little more specific.
About if you have questions about what you read and like about the book.
Okay. So anything that you still don't have answers to. So maybe as you read question 3, you got the first part, but you're still kind of iffy about that last part of the question. Write it down so that we can talk about it when we're done. You are in charge of, in your group, making sure you have the best notes, because when we're done, you're going to return to your original group and you're going to share. And what went on in the 1s, maybe they didn't talk about it in the 2s. So it's your time to then share. Got it? All right. Go ahead and go to the table that I asked you to start at. Only thing you need to carry with you is your book, a pencil, and your note-taking paper. Yes.